Alright guys, I'm going to show y'all how to do my famous chicken vegetable soup. It's a medley of beautiful things. I'm kind of not at home. I'm kind of being in protection, so I don't have the things I normally cook with. I usually do all organics. Make sure you have that seal. But like my butter beans are not organic, but boy, I'm loving this seasoned butter beans. So get you some organic chicken broth, guys. It makes a difference. You are what you eat. I have caramelized a garlic head and some onions, okay, over there. Now, I'm going to season this broth before I start. This is oregano. And make sure you get, when you get your herbs, make sure they're all organic. Again, I am on the run. I'm not able to cook my normal, so I'm making do with what I have. This is basil, putting basil, oregano. People are like, well, how much? How much? I just do it to when I taste good. I just been cooking so long, I do everything by touch, like my mother. This is Italian. I love lots of Italian. Now, your salt, everything must be organic. Sea salt is what I do, okay? So, got this in. I'm going to be putting in this tomato, organic tomatoes. So, put that in. All right. Now, we're going to be putting some organic, that USDA seal, green beans. Nice green beans. Okay, got the tomatoes, got the green beans. Be doing some squash, beautiful squash, and putting in butter beans. Oh my gosh, y'all, I put a lot of greens and butter beans and seasoning when I cook. So I'm splattering, making a mess. But boy, howdy. And I'm going to be having to get my friend to replace all of her black utensils. Guys, don't cook with Teflon. She went out and bought all stainless steel. I'm proud. But guys, you've got to get away from these black utensils. It's all off gas, any chemicals, PFAS, things like that. So we have marinated this. We're going to turn this on high to get it to a boil. And then we are going to turn this down and let all of these beautiful spices marinate. Put these onions. Guys, it really makes a difference when you cook. Like I caramelize and cook in layers. See all that beautiful garlic and onions? Oh, and if you eat an onion and garlic a day, garlic clove, guess what? Helps your immune system. You're not going to get sick. Not going to be sick. So I'm teaching y'all, about to be doing a whole virtual cooking class. Be offering in a whole virtual castle, living, breathing. It's going to have music, virtual fishing, library, biofeedback, consults, everything you need. But look at this beautiful, beautiful homemade vegetable soup. Don't get any better or healthier than this, guys. You are what you eat. Everything you put in your body, on your body, even the people you hang around matter. Every stinking thing that you put around you either develops you as a person, heals you as a person, or lowers your frequency and makes you out of ease. What is disease? It's when you're out of harmony. What puts you back into harmony? Detoxing, eating organic, movement, hydration, sunshine, breathing, and being grateful. These are all things we're going to be teaching. We'll be having retreats coming up probably this summer. I'm very much looking into building my real Pierce Castle in the memory of John Pierce and my mother, Patricia May Van Dyne. Living legacies. I love y'all. Peace.